Good morning, friends. Happy outside pajama day. This morning I am outside in my pajamas and I feel a little bit silly, but it's also fun. Right now it's not super warm at my house, so I kind of have winter pajamas on, but I hope that when you're watching this, it's a little bit nicer and you can be outside in your summer pajamas today. Let's take a look at today's morning message. All right, so let's go ahead and start by filling in those 3 important spots on our morning message. I'm going to get the calendar out for the month of June. Yesterday we were here, it was the first day of June, so we're going to take one jump forward, and this is today's number. Go ahead and say the number out loud as I write it. I will go back to our calendar to find the day of the week. We'll find that number. And we're gonna slide up. This is our day of the week today. Go ahead and say it out loud and help me spell it as I write it. And the last thing is talking about our weather. When I'm outside right now, so I don't have to look out my window today. But what I'm noticing is it's a little bit of sun and a little bit of clouds. I would call it probably partly cloudy, but today let's describe it by using the one that it's the most of. And what I'm noticing today is it's mostly sunny at my house right now. So I'm going to say that the weather is sunny. All right, let's start by reading the beginning of our message together. June 2nd, 2020. Good morning, KA and KB. Today is Tuesday and the weather is sunny. Let's find out what we're going to be doing today. I used lots of popcorn words, so I don't have very many clues for you today. This whole line here, I think you can use your popcorn words to figure out what it says. When you go to stretch this word, just be careful because there's a digraph at the end. And when you go to stretch this word, there's a digraph at the beginning and there's a bossy R. So A doesn't really say anything in this word. Go ahead and try reading that sentence on your own. And let's read it together. We will read a book about fish and sharks today. So for our 3 little pigs today, I have a totally new version. There are no pigs and there's no big bad wolf, but instead we have 3 little fish and a big bad shark. So that's a really fun book that we're going to be reading today. Let's see what else we're going to be doing today. This whole first part of the line, I think you can figure out using popcorn words and some of the strategies we've talked about before. But on this last word, this one can be a little bit tricky because there's an H here and it doesn't make the CH sound like we would expect. And then the 2 O's here are gonna go ooh. So see if you can use those clues to figure out that sentence. Go ahead and try reading on your own. And let's read it together. We will also write about our school. So for Writers Workshop with Miss Brandy today, you're working on your kindergarten memories, and today you're going to be writing about your school. Let's end by reading the closing together. Love Mrs. Rasnick, Miss Brandy, Miss Cortez, and Mrs. Donahue. I hope you all have a very fun outside pajama day.